Can you guys think of a word that starts in F and ends in D? Yeah, this car is severely flooded. Alright. Yeah. So here we got a little bit of an ignition issue here. I'm trying to get everything all sorted out here. Yesterday had some major issues. Trying to get this thing going. I ended up moving it from the yard all the way to the driveway here, and the car quit, and it was in such an awful angle that I don't know. I just couldn't leave it like that, so I had to keep trying to get this car going. It was so badly flooded. Anyway, the tank was really low on fuel, so I decided to dump $20 worth of fresh fuel into the car. Of course, that's not going to help the flooded issue, but the main issue to why it was so badly flooded is because I was only running on 6 cylinders. And if anybody has watched my other video, well, I did mention that last week that yes, in fact, that the car was only running on 6 cylinders instead of 8. So, anyway, yeah. For any of those out there who thought of a different word other than flooded, come on now. There could be little kids watching this video. Come on, guys. So, I don't know what to call this. I guess we'll call it a cold start. Cold start, damp start. Yeah, she's pretty damp out here. We'll leave it at that. She's a cold start, damp start. Okay. So I managed to get it running on all 8 cylinders now, except I do need new plugs, and I need new wire set and cap and rotor, which I will get eventually. Okay. Quit on me. Is running much smoother though. Will it stay running? It might. Maybe not. I think I'm going to have to redo my choke. Ever since I rebuilt the carburetor, I'm going to have to redo it. My choke adjustments. It doesn't want to keep running on its own, so. I don't think my idle mixture screws are correct. I constantly have to sit here and blip the throttle. If I don't, it'll just stall out, but minor little tweaking you have to do to this old girl. And she'll be ready to go. I got the ignition timing set correctly, so see what I mean? Anyway, minor little adjustments. I think I might have a bad engine mount, or either that or my mixture screws. It's just not idling. It's idling so rough that the engine's just shaking all over the place, but we'll look into that later on a better day.